Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Happy new month to everyone. We'd like to thank all our subscribers and viewers globally. We'd like to thank everyone that's been with us since the beginning of this journey. It's been 12 years now we've been doing this. From the era of bet on markets to binary.com to deriv.app. We'd like to thank everyone who has been with us from the onset and those who are just joining us. And we'd like to thank you guys for keep coming back. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing our videos. Thank you all for your appreciation as well. And we wish you all a prosperous 2024 ahead. Today we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index. Here we are trading the touch no touch right here. And you can see we've won some couple of trades there. You can see they're all green, no red, all green. So once you log into your trading account, we are trading the Volatility 25 index. Log into your Deriv trading account. We are using the D trader, and we set this to dark mode. And go to your trade type. Go to touch, no touch. Click on touch, no touch. Click on the ticks, set this to 5 ticks and set the barrier offset to minus 0.344. Then set the amount you want to stake, depends on what you have in your account. We are going to be trading the no touch. So once this thing drops down and it goes right up once, we are going to be clicking on the no touch. You can see it's dropping down. Let's wait a little bit for it to go right down a bit. So once it goes up, once, we're going to click on no touch. You can see it's going down. Stay going down. Once it goes up once, we're going to click on the no touch. That's once there, so we click on no touch right there. So we're going to wait for the outcome of that trade right there. So this is a trade. So you can see we won that trade. Let me close all this trade for you to see what we won there. Close all this. Okay. Close this. Okay. So this is the last trade right there. So we're going to go again. Watch the red circle, let it go down, go down, go down. Once it go up once, click on the no touch. So we click on no touch there again. Next time you have to wait for it to go right down a little, but we want that trade. You have to wait for it to go right down a little bit so that when it goes up a little bit, not with speed. So we have to wait again for it to go down. The movement is kind of sluggish there, so we have to watch. Okay, it's going down. It's going down. So once it goes up once, we're going to click on no touch. It's still going down. So we have to wait once it goes up once. Okay, that's it. You can see the way it goes right up before I click on the no touch right there. Okay, you can see we won all those trades. So the logic behind this strategy is this: the barrier is in negative, meaning it has to go down to hit the barrier before the trade goes against you, But if it goes down due to the volatility of the market, if it goes down and it's rebounding right up, before it will go right down, it will not hit the barrier because of the time, because the time is short, right? So that's the logic of this strategy. So guys, The TOUCHSCALPER bot, automated trading bot, version 8.0 is out, as we stated last month, and it's still very, very effective. For those who haven't purchased the bot, there's a bot right here. We've integrated so many payment options. PayPal is available there, Perfect Money, debit card, web money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bank transfer, so many payment options on the other pages. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citytechnologies.com.ng to order the bot. It's automated and it works on Deriv. You can see the result as well. The PIPSREAPER bot as well. The bot has been updated and it's also effective. The PIPSREAPER bot is just $7.99 USD. There are also several payment options on the other page: PayPal, Perfect Money, debit card, bank transfer, Ethereum, Bitcoin, web money, so many payment options. It's just $7.99 USD one-time payment. To order the PIPSREAPER bot, visit binary.pipsreaper.citytechnologies.com.ng, and all our bots comes with the free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices, written by me. You also get some free bots as well, included in the ebook. You get the Forex trading ebook as well, and you also get the Forex trading bot, free Forex trading bot. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Subscribe to all our channels, and here we are going to paste all the infos in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bot right here. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot. Check the video description on YouTube. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. Once you sign up, you can test all the strategies on demo before you fund your account and go live. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. We're going to drop several strategies across the channels today, 1st of December 2023. As usual, subscribe to all our channels to watch all these strategies. So the links to download the ebooks are also here. This is the link to sign up for a free Forex broker account to test the Forex bot we gave away for free. Here is the link to download the Forex ebook, and here is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook. You also get the link to download the free bot in the ebook. Here is the link to join our forum to read written tutorials. So let's get back to the trade. Let's place one more trade before we proceed to our next strategy for today. So let's watch this drop down. It's going up, so you have to wait for it to go right down. It's going down. It's going down. So once it goes up once, we're going to click on no touch. Still down. Okay, it has gone up once, so we click on no touch, and that's going to be the last trade. That's the trade right in. So there you go. You can see we won all the trades. See how much we made just within few minutes. 6.24, another 6.24, another 6.24, another 6.24. So 1, 2. We placed 4 trades and we won all the trades. So we made roughly $30 or 20 something dollars, 25 plus $26. So if you go on and on and on, you watch carefully, you can go to earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all next month. That will be 2024. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels, share the videos, comments, likes, purchase our bots to support us. Thanks for watching. Bye.